Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and it can be hard to beat the cold up in the Midwest, but soup is always a great way to warm up. Now, we've made a couple soups here recently, but hey, it's still cold out. So today we're gonna whip up a vegan wild rice soup. Let's dive in. Get your chopping arm ready, because we gotta chop up some celery, carrots, potatoes, and an onion to your desired soup size. Grab a large pot and start heating up some olive oil. Now toss in your onions and cook them on medium-high heat until they're translucent, or about 5 minutes. Now throw in your carrots and celery and let those flavors warm up together for about 5 minutes. Now add in some thyme, our chopped potatoes, wild rice, and veggie broth. Bring that to a boil and let it simmer covered for around 50 minutes to an hour. Wild rice is a little different than your standard white rice. It's a little more chewy, but that's what we're looking for. Once it's done simmering, take that off the heat and add in some almond milk. Give it a taste test to see if it needs any salt and pepper, and then let's bowl this dish. Oh, this is so nice and warm. Now, this is a fairly simple soup, but it totally gets the job done. All of our veggies pair together perfectly, and our rice gives it an amazing texture. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite ways to warm up in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
No cheese. No! You're rolling all over.